playing the Underground War 3. Now, as you guys can see, this is a freaking big. So if you guys can see how big this is, it's like so big, and it says, these are the badges, and it says you played the Underground War 3. I hope you enjoy battling in the third underground war. And it says kill the creator. This is definitely the last straw. And it says you have reached 5 kills. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, so you get all of these badges, which is pretty freaking cool. Anyways, so we're gonna join the Underground War and see what this actually is, you guys. And this game is actually pretty fun if you guys haven't played the Underground War. So this is part 2 of the Underground War. So make sure to watch part 3 of the Underground War to see what's actually in it. Alright. So anyways, so we're loading into the game, and this is gonna be so weird, you guys. Alright. So I don't know where the game is. Like, what the heck? Alright. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back. Anyways, we're in the Underground War. But anyways, I'll be right back because I'm gonna go get something. So I'll be right back. Alright, so let's see what's actually happening, you guys. Alright, so let me plug this in, and let's see, alright, so let's play the Underground War here. And did I just froze? Did I just froze? What the? I think I just froze, you guys. What the heck? Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's, oh my gosh, you guys. Look how freaking big that hole is. Look at this. This is so crazy, you guys. Alright, so, oh, is this yellow team? Oh, we need to kill this girl. Alright. Got it. Alright. I think she's gonna, oh yeah, she's right there. Let's kill her, yeah. Alright, I killed her, and, oh, she's alive. Oh, shoot. Gosh, she's freaking alive. What the heck? Alright, so this is green team. I am on green team, and our flag has been stolen. But anyways, look at this, you guys. Look how deep this is. This is so crazy. Alright. Oh, we need to try to steal yellow team flag. Alright. Oh shoot. Okay, we need to steal the flag. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. I think this girl is like guarding the flag. I don't even know why this freaking. Alright. But anyways, let's see. Let's try blue team actually. Oh no. Yeah, they're right there. Alright, I gotta try to steal their flag, and if I can't steal their flag, yellow team won the game. Alright, I'm not on yellow team. I wish I was like on yellow team so I could like steal the. Oh shoot! Alright. Oh shoot! No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alright, guys, I was about to steal the flag. What the heck? Alright. So, alright. Oh shoot. Alright, so I have to try to steal their flag. Oh, I can steal their flag! Oh my god, get the flag. Yes! I got the flag! Ooh, got their flag. got their flag. Alright. Oh my gosh. Is that them? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. No. Oh my gosh. I almost got their flag, you guys. What the heck? Alright. Alright. So I need to try like to go like under here. I'm going back in green team. I don't think they see me. Oh shoot. Oh, their flag is gone. Alright. I think they're gonna think it's like me or something. Like what the? Alright. Yo, what? Why is the freaking war like that? Like what the heck? Alright. Alright, I'm trying to enter red team right now, and I'm trying to steal all their flags and everything, but I can't really get it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. You can't kill nobody. Oh, I'm in green team, that's right. Yeah, green team already stole your flag, so I don't even know how you're gonna get past it. Alright. Oh, I know how she. Ow, oh shoot. Alright, we got our flag. Alright. So, we gotta kill the rest of these two. Like, oh shoot. Alright. Oh shoot, you guys. Alright. I don't even know how to get past this, you guys. Like, what the heck? Alright. So, I don't even know how to get past this, but yeah, I'm on like let's see, green team, so that's me right there. I'm on green team. But anyways, but oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, no! Alright. Oh, okay. Alright. So, anyways, I don't even know how to get past this, you guys. What the? Oh shoot. Alright. Alright. Oh shoot. Alright, so I need to try to get like, wait, how do I like how do you not die in these games? Because if you don't die in these games, that'll be like so good. Yeah, and this stupid girl killed me. So I don't even know why in the world are they freaking killing? I don't even know why. But we need to get their flag. So alright. Oh, I see somebody got our flag. Shoot, we need to hurry up and get their flag right now. Alright. Oh, I got the flag. I'm gonna get their flag. Yes, I got their flag. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh, guys. I almost got their flag. No, stop. Alright, so I got their flag, you guys. As you guys can see, this was so good. Alright, so, this was so good, you guys. Like, I got their flag, and this is pretty good. Alright, I like this war, actually. Okay, we need to, this guy got the flag. Good job. Alright, but he's killing me. This is so weird. Alright. Anyways, yeah, I don't even know why this girl is even killing me. But yeah, this is weird. Alright. So, anyways, I'm trying to enter blue team right now. And yeah, so I'm trying to get oh shoot. Alright. Oh shoot, who's that? Oh, that's green team. Alright, now at least we know. Oh shoot, green. Oh no, we need to get that flag. Come on, get the flag. Wait, what? I can't get their flag. What the? I can't get their flag, you guys. What the? Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm on green team. Oh yeah, I'm green team, you guys. So I can't get my flag. This is so weird. But we need somebody to guard my flag. Like, oh shoot. Alright, so I don't even know what to do because they're gonna freaking kill me and I don't even know how to get past this. Alright, so anyways, oh shoot. Oh, I thought that was like somebody like killing me or something. Alright, we have to enter red team and red team is right there. So I don't know how I'm gonna get the flag. And yeah, this like girl like just killed me right now. I'm supposed that she's a robot, but yeah, I think this guy, yeah, you can't kill green team. I don't think this guy knows I'm on green team. He might know, but I don't think he knows. But you could just like kill them or something. Alright. Yo. Anyways, I don't even know how to get out of here, you guys. Alright. Oh shoot, we need to stop. Oh flag, you guys. We need to steal. Oh gosh, is that red team like still in their flag? Like what the heck? All right. But we need to get my knife out. Oh, I need to kill this girl. All right. I couldn't get her. Oh, like I almost got her, but anyways, I regret getting her and everything. I don't even know why. Blue team's up here. Oh, we need to kill this girl. We need to kill this girl. She's AFK. Shoot. We need to kill this girl. All right. I got her. Yes, we got her. All right. Oh, she's right over there. Okay, should I kill her again, you guys? All right, let's kill her. Yes, we got her. All right. So, yeah, you could like try to kill her again. Yeah, that's post. Oh, who's that? Who's that? All right. Oh shoot, is that yellow team? What the heck? Oh, this girl. Oh, this boy's getting her. Yes. All right. Oh shoot. All right. So we need to try to get past this. Like, what the heck? How do you? All right. I need to get my knife out right here. I'm just gonna get that, pick that up, and let's go. All right. So blue team right here, and yo, what's this block right here? What is this? What the? All right. Oh, look at this, you guys. I don't even want this. What the heck? Oh no, I'm freaking trapped. Oh, yeah, you could go through this way. You could like get out. That was kind of weird. I got like trapped or something. Like what the heck? All right. But if somebody goes on our team, we're just gonna kill them and everything. We need to guard the flag. Actually, we need to freaking guard the. All right. So anyways, let's do it. All right. Oh shoot. Somebody got the flag or something? Yup. Oh shoot. All right. We need to try to get out of their team. Like, what the heck? All right. So, I don't even know how I'm supposed to like get out of their team, but I don't want this one. Just kill me, you guys. Just kill me. All right. Just kill me. All right. I don't want this like black thing on. Just kill me, okay? Yes, girl. Just kill me. Yes, good. Alright, because I don't even know what the heck that was, but I want to wear that because that looks kind of weird. It looks like a girlish thing. Like I don't know, you guys. If it could be a girl thing, well, good thing. But yo, it is right there. Look at it. It's right there. All right. So what is this? Healing something? What do we need that for? Anyways. All right. So I don't even know how we're gonna kill these two, but all right, we need to kill this girl. All right, I'm trying to kill this girl, but it's so hard just to kill her, and yeah. So we need to kill. Oh shoot, this girl doesn't. Oh, she does have a knife out. All right, but. Alright, so we need to try to, like, what can we do? Like, alright. Oh, shoot, this girl. Oh, shoot. Alright. Yo, I just fell down the hole, you guys. What the heck? Alright, so, anyways. Yeah, Alright, this girl just killed me for no reason. Like, are you serious right now? Alright. Yo, somebody behind me. Oh, shoot, it is. Alright. So, we need to try to go down and, like, go like this. Alright? Oh, somebody got our flag! Oh, shoot. Who got our flag? Who got our flag, you guys? Yes, we got the flag returned! Alright, we got our flag freaking returned! Alright, so, anyways. We need to try like to get past this. Like, what the? Alright. So I don't even know what the heck. Why is they freaking killing? And first of all, alright. So I don't even know. You can't kill like this girl. What about we just try to like kill somebody, like get their